Good morning, my fellow subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Positivity coming to you today. As you can see on the stove right there, I'm actually preparing some oxtail. So here is, I actually prepared it a day in advance, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here it is, okay? It was all seasoned to perfection and added into this nice Tupperware. And I love this Tupperware because, again, it's got a good seal around it. There you go. Take a look at that seal. So yes, so I'm actually right now on the stove. What you're seeing here is I had some vegetable oil added to this saucepan. It's on medium high, and I actually make sure the oil is nice and hot. You want to make sure the oil is nice and hot. When you drop your oxtail in, you should get a nice sizzling sound, which you're hearing right now. So I'm going to brown the oxtail, and after it's brown, I will actually transport the oxtail out of this pot. I will drain off all the oil, get rid of the oil, because we're certainly not going to use the oil. And we're going to transfer it into that sauce pot you see there. That's the blue Martha Stewart Dutch pot. Now, what I have on the pot right here right now is some water being boiled, because you want to make sure that you add your oxtail into boiling water. Now, once I add it into the sauce pot, I am going to actually set my oven to 350, and I'm going to put the oxtail into the oven. Now, while it's in the oven, I am going to add some ingredients first before I add it into the oven. I'm going to add some potatoes, which you will see. I'm going to add some potatoes, you see here, and I'm going to add some carrots, and I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning that's already in here, and just put it into the actual oven. Now, one of the secrets to getting a nice gravy, so you don't have to add cornstarch or, whatever way you make your gravy, is to take the potato here in the beginning, and you want to peel them, of course, wash them, cut them into small bits, small bits. And once you cut them into small bits and you add it at the beginning, it actually will dissolve and actually thicken up the actual gravy. So again, I will show you what that looks like when I'm getting ready to transfer over it into the oven. So keep it right here, keep it locked. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. I do appreciate it. Listen, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave your comments. Turn on your post notification so you know each time I upload another video. And also, don't get discouraged if you notice that I did not upload another video, and I've mentioned it over and over. Busy life, but I have not forgotten, and yeah, you're always in my thoughts, you're always in my mind. So thank you so very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you when I make the next transfer. Keep it locked and keep it right here. I'll talk to you soon. Miss Positivity without the negativity. The girl, she always got the gravity without the negativity. I'll see you in part 2.